Hey guys, here are ingredients to make s'mores. Now open the bag of apple cinnamon powder and put 4 teaspoons of cinnamon powder on a plate. Next, you want to put 3 tablespoons of water and mix thoroughly. Make sure to mix till they solidify. Next, grab your box of chocolate mix, open it, and pour 50 grams of chocolate powder. Now pour some water and mix thoroughly till it solidifies. Make sure to refrigerate for 4 hours, and you can add nuts if you want to. Next, we're going to make marshmallows. First, open your container of marshmallow cream. Second, put 3 teaspoons of marshmallow cream on your plate. And refrigerate for 30 minutes. Lastly, you will build your s'mores. And enjoy.